What is InVideo AI? Features and how to use InVideo AI to create free videos. InVideo AI is a tool worth exploring with the ability to transform text into high-quality videos easily. The following article will guide you in detail on how to download and use InVideo AI to start producing videos immediately. What is InVideo AI software? InVideo AI is a simple AI video creation tool that helps you create high-quality videos easier than ever. With these powerful features, it is no surprise that InVideo AI has quickly become the top choice for content creators and marketers who want to create engaging videos. This tool offers a variety of features to help you highlight your videos, from automatic editing to custom templates, helping to create professional videos in just minutes. In addition, InVideo also supports AI tools such as text recognition, face recognition, and voice recognition, helping to personalize your videos more effectively. Outstanding InVideo AI features. InVideo AI is currently one of the leading tools to support creating outstanding videos. With its superior and effective features, it is a powerful assistant to help users create professional multimedia content easily. Create videos from text. InVideo AI allows users to easily create videos from text in just a few minutes. This feature helps automatically convert paragraphs into professional videos, including images, sounds, and appropriate transition effects. The software uses AI to analyze and select resources from a large repository, including thousands of templates, images, background music, and special effects, creating attractive and high-quality videos. This is an ideal tool for individuals who are not specialized in video editing, but want to produce professional content for marketing, educational, or personal purposes. Convert posts to videos from URLs. This is an outstanding feature of InVideo, which makes it different and convenient compared to other tools.